So, good morning, everyone. Once again, thanks for joining the session, demo session. So, before we go for actual classes, first of all, I will give the introduction about the BTP. Anyhow, we will discuss briefly in the our regular classes as well. So, here everybody knows, maybe few people are new to this word, BTP word. So, BTP is a business technology platform. It is a technology layer for technology layer of the intelligence enterprises here. This is a technology layer for the all the organizations nowadays, right? It's a business technology platform. So it's a platform as a service concept here. Platform as a service concept here. Business technology technology, business technology, business transformation. So, business technology, this is a technology layer of the intelligence enterprise here, right? So, underlying the infrastructure layer, all our BTP related services and everything is so we can install it here, right? So, first of all, when this has implemented, when they have renamed, what is the before here? So BTP, this platform as a service concept, it's not the new to us. It's a years back SAP, maybe the 20 years back or 10 years back, maybe 14 years back, SAP already implemented this platform as a service concept to the customers. So, but recently it got familiar with the BTP word. So they have rebranded their products to the SAP business. So technology platform, they have rebranded. That is the reason. So it populated, right? In Jan 2021, so SAP introduced a powerful, introduced a unique and powerful solution is called the business technology platform here. This is the technical foundation for the entire SAP ecosystems, and it will place a very critical role for the all the SAP customers and partners here. All the SAP customers and partners, this BTP, this technology layer will place a very critical role here, very critical layer here. So here BTP BTP helps you that focus on the business logic here. BTP helps you so helps you focus on the business logic here. So focus on the business logic. So which means normally if you want to implement the something, you need to have the data center infrastructure, software procurement, licenses, OS, application, those many things you need to do that one. But here that many things you need to do it, and you have to waste your time, you have to waste money, and so many things, many teams, network, many things has to work on this area, right? So but here the BTP will helps you focus directly on the business. That means it will take care of everything, but you no need to concentrate on the infrastructure layer, you no need to concentrate on the hardwares, you no need to concentrate on the server applications and services, everything here. So directly you can log into the BTP cockpit. There is a BTP cockpit. SAP is providing the web-based URL to the customer. You can log in, and there you can subscribe the your whatever the services you want to use it, whatever the applications you want to use it, you can use those applications here, right? Who can get benefit because of the BTP? The new customers directly they can install their applications and everything on the so BTP side. Just you can just subscribe the service, then within 5 minutes max, then your application is ready to use it. Then you can focus on the configurations and the logic here, right? You no need to you no need to procure the hardware, softwares, infrastructure, OS. No need to do anything here. Just in the screen selection itself, you need to choose the whatever you required in the BTP, and which infrastructure, which region you need to deploy your services or your applications or your databases you want to deploy. Just choose that region in the template. Then just you can focus on the your after the configuration, and you can focus on the business logic here, right? Or the existing customer, suppose the existing customers already in the on premises, they want to go with the, they want to focus on mainly on the, so some of the other solutions, some of the other BTP cloud solutions, then directly they can go with the BTP services and solutions. So new customers directly they can implement the BTP services and everything here. So why? Because BTP is offering all the list of portfolio of SAP services and solutions. Those are brought under one umbrella. All the services in the BTP, we have the list of services and list of solutions and etc. Those are brought under one umbrella. One umbrella. One umbrella. So they are they have their one umbrella, they are all those things are available here, right? Which the services and solutions which will fulfill our requirements to start our business services and everything, which will fulfill our requirements here. So these services and solutions will help organizations to build a new cloud solutions. These services and solutions will help organizations to build a new solutions here, right? In other words, if I say BTP is a bundle of many different solutions and services and tools, as well as the databases also they are offering. So some of the services we can use for the innovations, application development related things, monitoring related services. Some of the database services are we can use to store our data, business data, which will give us BTP will give us the access to the all the services which are in the currently SAP introduced all the services we will get the access here. It provides the all the necessary resources to create the cloud solution. Suppose you are a customer, you want to start the food business, you require to integrate multiple ecosystems, multiple business scenarios, you want to integrate it. In that case, whatever the business scenario you need, that require the all the resources to create a solutions that will help us to focus on the business logic and all the technical aspects behind the scenes that will help us, that will help us to focus on the main thing here, right? So which means SAP will provide everything to us, just we can choose it and we can start doing the focus on the business logic and scenarios. So which means you don't need to concentrate on the infrastructure wise. So and also you don't need to concentrate on the multiple licenses. You don't need to concentrate on the hardware. You don't need to do anything on the installation perspective. You don't need to do, just subscribe the services in the BTP. You will get the service to be ready, then open the service and application. You can start doing the configurations and development related activities. You can do that one here. So which means under one BTP umbrella, you have multiple services and solutions. Many things are available here. Many things are available under this thing here, right? So here, actually, if I talk about the when they have introduced the BTP and history, if I talk about the BTP solutions and services and history, so all the suppose all the services and solutions are available under in the, we can see it what are the services and everything is available here. If you go to the SAP Discovery Center, there we can see the all the services in the SAP Discovery Center, where we can see the all the solution services, what is the pricing and where it is available, all the limitations and everything we can see it in the SAP Discovery Center here, right? You can see the all the BTP services here. If you go to the services, so you can see above environment, event mesh, these all are the 90 plus services currently SAP, Adobe Forms, the ADS, then databases, monitoring services, then AI related services, analytics cloud, and Sybase databases here, build apps, yes, SAP Analytics Cloud. You see build work zone and data sphere, HANA Cloud. So they are the many services and solutions SAP providing to the customer to start your business and everything, right? So which means directly you can just click on the subscribe, and then you can start using the services here. You can start using the services here in the here. So actually are their services and solutions and their capabilities, they have categorized into the five main pillars here. They have categorized into the five main pillars in the BTP here. Are their solutions and services, they have categorized into the five main services here. One is called the, that we will call it as the five main pillars, key pillars for BTP here. Pillars for BTP here, right? So that is the main thing here. So in that, first one is called the development, application development related services. The second one is called the automation related services here, right? The third one is called the integration related services, right? And also the fourth one is called the data, then the analytics related services here. The fifth one is called the AI related services here, which means in the BTP, so they are main, all their services and solutions, they have categorized into the five main pillars here. So application development related things like SAP build apps, work zone, business application studio, mobile services, cloud foundry, so DevOps related services here, documentation related services here. All the development related things will comes under the application development here, right? Then automation. So build work process management, RPA, task manager, so robotic process. There the those things will comes under the build process automation related things here, right? Then integration. Integration means integration suite. Then business accelerator hub. There are many things are there integration side. CPI, all those things will come under the integration. Then data and analytics like SAP, HANA Cloud here, SAP HANA Cloud here, SAP Analytics Cloud here, then Data Sphere here, and MDZ. These all are the comes under the SAP and Data and Analytics here. So previously there were only four main key pillars in the BTP here, right? But later recently they have introduced the one more pillar is called the AI, artificial intelligence related services also they have introduced in the BTP. So we want to use AI services for your business, then BTP, there are the services called the AI core and AI launchpad services are available, launchpad services, and some of the AI business services are available. We can use these solution services to build your logic, to build your automation, to build your application. So you can use it here, right? So these are the fifth one is the recently added by SAP, which are more important. The people are more concentrating on these areas here. So these are the five main key pillars. Their services and solutions they have categorized under five main services here, right? So here you no need to concentrate on the so installation, logic, configuration, procurement, licensing, and everything here. Directly you can focus on the business logic here, right? So coming to the, suppose if I talk about the some history about the BTP history. History means when SAP introduced this concept here. As I mentioned here, in the long back itself, in 2012 itself, SAP entered into the entered into the entered into the SAP NetWeaver Cloud. So SAP NetWeaver Cloud, that we will call it as the Neo. SAP NetWeaver on demand here. In the 2012 itself, SAP entered into the PaaS market that is called the NetWeaver Cloud. The short name is called the Neo for the NetWeaver on demand. So 2012 itself, they have entered into the PaaS market. SAP BTP is the platform as a service, platform as a service concept here. Then after that, they have rebranded. So they have renamed SAP Neo to SAP HANA Cloud Platform. SAP HANA Cloud Platform, they have renamed it here. Then after that, so there are many things they have implemented and everything. In the 2012 itself, what they have dropped the HANA word from HCP, HANA word from the HCP, and so that's normally they have introduced called the CP Cloud Platform here. They have dropped the HANA word because it's not specific to the only HANA cloud. So this is a cloud platform like that they have implemented. Was a PaaS offering by SAP to create the new applications, and also in the extending the existing SAP application in the secure cloud environment. So they have rebranded this thing here, right? Later, so this one also they are providing more than that. It's not only cloud related things. Then SAP Cloud Platform, they have rebranded Cloud Platform, SAP Cloud Platform. So they have rebranded to again. So in the 2021, Jan 2021, they have rebranded their cloud platform to SAP. So business, so SAP Business Technology Platform, they have rebranded here. Business, so technology platform, they have rebranded. So this is the way SAP officially retired their support of the cloud platform, means the word, and they have initially the new word called the BTP, Business Technology Platform here. So it provides the extended functionality to the customer. The core is equivalent to the cloud platform only. The core skills are same, but they are providing more than the cloud platform. So if you ask me, sir, why cloud platform is the good naming convention, right? Why they have rebranded to SAP BTP, Business Technology Platform here. So why? Because they are providing more than that. Initially, in the cloud platform was originally focusing on the cloud-based related services for the business. Later, as the time went on, SAP realized that their platform offering more than the cloud services, tools, designing related services, integration related things, analytics related things, development related things, and more than that, they are providing the more than the cloud services, they are providing more. So to better represent their name and their brand in the market and customer, SAP decided to rebrand their platform to the BTP, Business Technology Platform here, right? So this new name will help to the customers to help customers that this platform is not limited to the cloud. It also included to the various technologies and various services are included. It's not only cloud related, many things they are providing on the BTP side here, right? So that is the reason I think they have rebranded SAP Cloud Platform to the BTP to better reflect into the market here, better reflect in the market. So they have entered into the PaaS market in 2012 itself. They have entered into the PaaS market here. Then slowly. So then they are changed, they are rebranded, they are developed many things. They have entered into the market here, right? So what is this PaaS market here? In the cloud terminology, if I talk about the what is this PaaS market and what is the PaaS in the cloud terminology, in the cloud technology, sometimes there are the new words, new words will come into the picture in the cloud computing, in the cloud terminology here, right? So in the cloud terminology, there are the new things will comes under the picture here, right? So what are those cloud things here? What are those cloud things in the here, right? PaaS market, PaaS, platform as a service, right? SaaS, SAP, software as a service concept, IaaS concept, infrastructure as a service concept. Infrastructure as a service concept. So we can use this one here, infrastructure as a service concept. So we have, these are the three main the cloud terminologies. These are the three main cloud terminologies SAP is providing here. There are three main cloud technologies SAP is providing to the customers here, right? So that is the main thing here, right? So what is the platform as a service concept here? Platform as a service concept is like a, right? So platform means they are providing the platform to the customers so that so you can they are providing the platform offers a ready-made platform for the application development, infrastructure, everything. So directly you can log into the platform. All the applications and services are available. Then you can start using it here. All the applications are available. You can start coding the developing activities here. So you no need to go with the infrastructure, hardware and space, memory, CPU. So then everything will be in the cloud. Just platform service also available. Just you can focus on the business logic here, right? That is the platform as a service here. Means renting a ready to use kitchen instead of building from the scratch. The kitchen is readily available. You can directly go ahead and cook the food instead of renting a ready made, ready to use kitchen here instead of building from scratch here. That is the BTP. BTP comes under the platform as a service concept. What is the SaaS product here? SaaS product is like a software, renting a software instead of buying. Here only infrastructure and services. Here software also you are renting. You are not permanently software also you are renting here. So you can access the software via internet. So no need to installation and everything here. Suppose like example Google Workspace, Gmail, Google Docs, and these all are the just you are accessing. You are not installing everything anything on your local laptop or desktop. You can access through browser, right? That is called the SaaS product, software as a service product here, right? And also, what is the IaaS, infrastructure as a product here? So infrastructure means renting a computer in the cloud, only renting a computer in the cloud here, which means renting a computer means renting means what is the infrastructure? Infrastructure means CPU, hardware, CPU, memory, so and the network. All those things are comes under the so infrastructure here. Suppose you want to run the one software, your own software, but you need a infrastructure to build the on top of the infrastructure you can build it. So that is the reason. So we can use the infrastructure as a build. But here the hardware and the infrastructure, everything is responsible by the relevant cloud provider. The software you need to download and you need to install it here, right? That is called the infrastructure as a provider. Means they will only provide the infrastructure. Here they will provide the platform. Here they will provide the software as a service for renting the software as well, including infrastructure. The software also they will provide to us. So these are the three main so terminologies in the cloud computing. They are the three main important terminologies for the especially for the beginners who wants to start their journey on the BTP or cloud side. So these terminologies are very important here. Why? Because cloud means everything the relevant related cloud providers they will provide it. Who are the cloud providers means suppose like we have the AWS and Azure, right? GCP, then SAP, SAP HANA Cloud. These are HCC. They are the Alibaba Cloud. They are the multiple cloud providers. They will provide the infrastructure. On top of the infrastructure, we need to take a rent. Taking the so we have to install the application or application also taking the rent. So they are the multiple providers. They will provide the infrastructure and they will offer the infrastructures. They will offer the infrastructure here. So BTP is a set of tools and product that will enable us to integrate or extend our SAP functionality third-party applications here, right? So in the BTP, there are multiple services. There are the 90 plus services we see they are providing to the SAP here. It is a multi-cloud platform deployment. Means it's a customers to choose in which cloud provider, which infrastructure provider there you want to deploy your services. Then then be the infrastructure providers they will support to the SAP. Then whatever the service you choose where you want to deploy, you can choose the your own infrastructure cloud provider, you can deploy the cloud providers and everything here. That is what we have to do in that case, right? That is the we have to do that one here, right? So these all are the so BTP related. So again, our introduction session clearly one by one. So I will cover all of these things in here, right? And also our timelines are daily 1 hour. Currently daily 1 hour the timelines. Remaining hours you can practice it. As part of the training, you will get the so videos recorded session will be recorded. You will get the recording videos and the documentation and also the server access for practice. Server access for practice. You will get all those things here. So daily 1 hour, remaining hours you can practice it here, right? You will get the server access also practice it here, right? That is the one thing. So the plan is here. So this time slot is free currently for me 10 to 11. So this batch is going to complete maybe in 1 hour, 1 day, in maximum in Monday, this batch will complete. Then we can start immediately once that batch is actually supposed to complete yesterday itself. Due to one issue, it got postponed to the Monday. So that is the reason. So then this is the one. So we can start from Tuesday onwards or Wednesday onwards our regular classes here, right? So here, what we are going to do as a basis consultant, whatever we required. So except development, all the administration related activities we will discuss in the year. So I will course share. I think I already got the course content. I will share the course content again. Just again, you can just go through it and so let me know if any concerns. Okay. Any questions or concerns, anyone?
Yeah, hello.
Yeah. Hi, Ram.
Hi. My name is Ram Raju. So I am a SAP security person. Is it cover about in all things in SAP security administrator?
Security person, I think you need to mostly learn the IAS and IPS concept,
And
authentication service.
IAG.
And yeah, these services I will not cover it. Just only
Okay.
introduction part I will cover it. Not I will not go cover it in the deeply. Mainly for
So
the administrators. This is the mainly for the administrators.
okay, administrator is not including in security person, right?
Right, right. Their separate security person is there for to learn this one.
Okay. So administrator, what type of topics you are
I will
including
share
in
the
this?
course content. You just you can go through it. Maybe the sub accounts creations,
Yes,
integrations
yes.
work, backend SAP system integrations, and transport movement, transport configurations, then HANA Cloud, ABAP Cloud, and Fiori
Okay.
apps, BuildWorks Zone configuration. There are the multiple environments. There are a lot of topics are there, and
Yeah,
cloud
okay.
ALM. These things are there. So I will cover those things. I will share the course content in the group. Just you can go through it.
So, and one more thing, I have working in Accenture company.
Mhm.
My project got adapted to BTP. They have